Good morning, guys. Well, it was nice and sunny out there when I went and took the bird food out, but it's just started to rain. Not sure whether I showed you that one yesterday. 3D printed a load of bits for it because it was missing a whole load. Got the sizes wrong, they were too tall, so I've had to 3D print some more bits to drop it down a little bit. It was too high and the gears didn't line up properly. Still, that'll be a video sometime in the future. Yeah, windy and rain. Wonder what it's like down at Glastonbury. Anyway, good morning, guys. Hi guys, just back from a 2-week holiday. The night before we went on holiday, I reprinted my parts for this marble vater. Part number 12, because I'd made these too long. So I've replaced all the number 12s with slightly shorter ones. It's only about, well, it's about ½ an inch, I suppose, or a centimetre. And now things line up. This is still a little bit wobbly. I need to reprint the shaft that goes through there to stop it wobbling around. But at least everything lines up now, so the elevator works properly. One of them stuck just there. What I haven't done is replaced these bits that in the previous video I said I'd made them a little bit too weak, so they're a bit floppy, which is why that one was sticking. What's going on there? I've been going too fast and I got something jammed. Getting carried away with myself there. Oh yes, yeah, I've pulled bits right out of place. Right, back again. Yeah, I can see what's happening. I'm lifting it up, so I'm spinning it too fast. That one's come loose as well. So I don't think I got it in a good enough state to donate it to a charity shop as a as good as new one. It's clearly got some issues, but it is at least working. Probably make a difference if I stand it on the table in a different angle so it tilts a little bit. Yeah,
I think I got a bit carried away there, going too fast. Do it at a reasonable speed, and it's all right. Ooh, where should that one come from? Yeah, if I get going too fast, that's actually lifting. I think that'll do. It works. It's not perfect. Considering initially I thought I was just going to throw it straight in the bin because we were missing too many bits. I was able to print them. I could have printed these thicker so they were stronger. And I probably will still throw it in the bin because it's no use to anybody when it's not perfect. So there we go. Job done.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.